So once you're done with the assessment, you'll be submitting your assessment. And when did you receive the selection mail, Abhilash?
Within 3 to 4 days, as it is bulk hiring.
Bulk hiring.
Many senior employees were leaving this organization after 2 years. We have bond for this. That is 2 years.
Bond, okay. 2 years.
And yeah, after 2 years, they were like many employees were resigning this company.
Okay.
Then it was a quick requirement, so that
All right.
process took around 2 weeks.
All right. Super. So
Yeah.
let us say that unfortunately, an individual didn't select the assessment round. Will they receive rejection mail, Abhilash?
No,
No.
no, no. There will be no communication or no nothing.
Ah.
Yeah.
So what was next round? Once you clear this bot assessment round, what will be the next round, Abhilash? Yep.
Yeah, like after taking that, within 2 days, HR called me and he explained me regarding this iOPEX company.
Mm.
Then he mentioned that we have branches in Indore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and everything.
Okay.
Then he told that it's immediate requirement
Mm.
and you should relocate to Bangalore. And I said that I wish to be in Bangalore because
Mhm.
as I'm fresher, there was no other chance, so that I went there. uh, yeah. Then he said that you'll be having interview by tonight, 9 p.m.
Mm.
Then our interviewer came in and he asked me regarding my experience and
Okay.
everything. As I'm from civil engineering, he told that why did you come from that to this
Yes.
thing, and I gave a valid answer.
So how was your
I
response?
know the struggle.
Yes, Ajay, I'm just
Yeah,
curious, like, how did you respond to that question? Like, you're from a civil background and you
yeah,
came to customer trainee engineer profile. Like, how was your response to that question?
yeah. Like I faced many hurdles after my graduation. Actually, I'm 2023 graduate.
Mm.
Then I was looking for opportunities, and like I've asked many seniors and everyone, even my relatives. Nobody helped me.
Okay.
Then I came to Bangalore after my graduation in the month of July 2023, and I done job as a customer support, but it's a totally non-technical thing. I was taking around 150 to 160 calls on daily basis.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah, it was too much hectic, but after 24, 25, we can't expect anything from our parents, so that I was doing for time being. Then after that, I was done with this. Everybody, my friends were doing jobs in many big companies.
Okay.
I was totally done with this IT sector, and then I switched into this civil for 1 year.
Mm. Okay.
But over there, I felt this will be something kind of supervisors over there. They have more knowledge comparing me because they are into this industry since 12 or 13 years. I was doing over there, but like a few seniors suggested me that they are in this industry since 8 to 9 years, but they were paying salary is very low.
Okay. Salary.
Yeah, comparing 90, yeah. But by the end of the day, money matters. My parents invested me lakhs together into my degree. I need to give it back.
All right.
Um, uh, yeah,
Good
like
approach.
if like we don't have any financial support or something. If I'm into this industry, going further, I need to build one company.
All right.
But we don't. Yeah, my father is a farmer. I can't do that. So that somehow I got this opportunity. Yeah.
Hey, I really appreciate your thought process and yeah, I mean what you give it's valid point and it's anybody can relate what you mentioned now, Abhilash. I can relate with that. And this is your response to the HR, like why you want to shift it from civil to the non-IT. So this is how you respond to that question. So my understanding,
Exactly. Yeah.
once you're done with the bot assessment, next HR called you and just asked you to reallocation, that kind of question. After that, he arranged it
Yeah.
technical. Correct.
Exactly. Yeah.
How was technical round, Abhilash?
Yeah. Like manager came in the panel and he told about his experience,
Hmm.
and somehow even he started his career with service desk, as I have started my career as service desk, L1 support. Then he asked a basic questions. What is router? What is switch?
Okay. Hmm.
And regarding what is Linux?
Hmm. Okay.
And what are the commands you use in Linux?
Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.